So, Karthik, what
Yes,
are your
sir.
hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time?
Sir, I am studying.
What do you study?
Sir, I am studying, sir, EVS science.
EVS.
Sir, sir.
Okay. What is your favorite subject?
Sir, sir, my favorite subject is math.
Math. Why do you like mathematics?
Sir, because this is very interesting. I am solving questions.
Very interesting and solving all the questions.
Yes,
Math
sir.
is not a difficult subject for you.
No, sir.
Do you get full marks in mathematics?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So, which class do you study?
Sir, I am studying fifth.
Fifth class. Very good. And so, tell me something about your school. How is your school?
Sir, my school was very big, and my school is in, sir, five playgrounds and one stage. The stage was very big,
Mhm.
and sir, my school teachers was very good. My my in charge, my class is very um, topper in the sections. Every sections, my class was topper.
Mhm.
So
How many brothers
sir,
and
the school
sisters
was
do you
very
have?
beautiful.
How
Yes,
many
sir.
brothers and sisters do you have?
Sir, I have one sisters.
Where is okay? How old is she?
Sir, she is 2 years old.
2 years old. Very small.
Yes, sir.
Does she speak any language at this time? No language.
No.